Welcome to the project demonstration of medicine delivery robots. So here we named it as Dhanvantari-Bot, so which can use it to deliver the medicines to a particular patient by naming them as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we name them as with the bed names like patient A, like bed A, bed B, bed C, bed D, E, F, G. So we coded the system to deliver the medicines for 7 beds, so which are individually placed in individual rooms separately, and that will be identified with the help of our DC motors. So we developed this robot with 4 DC motors which are come with the encoders. The main purpose of the encoder is, so generally DC motor will rotates in forward and backward direction, but it won't inform the how much of distance it was traveled exactly, and stepper motor can provide that, but it can't handle a more weight. So that's why we are using a DC motor with DC encoder. So the encoder consists of Hall effect sensor. So whenever the shaft rotates, means the DC motor shaft rotates, so it will inform us the pulses. So based on the number of pulses, we are going to count the number of centimeters the so-called wheel covered till now. So here we have placed the totally 4 DC motors to make this robot as a 4-wheel drive, and that DC motor interfaces to the our Arduino Mega board. So see here we are using the 4 DC motors. So this is a DC motor and it will come with gearbox, and backside the white color one is the encoder, so which is connected to the Arduino Mega 2560. So here we are using Arduino Mega 2560. So in this one we can see the number of connections which are interfaced as the input and output modules to the Mega board. Let us see that. Right, inside we have placed that, and it has the main features like, first of all, it will cover the bed based on the travel distance. So we are assuming the travel distance for 1 meter for each and every distance between the 2 beds. And the next, so once we need to select the number of bed from the blink application. So here this is a blink application we are going to use. So initially we need to select the bed number to which we need to deliver the medicine, and the next, so when, for example, if you select the bed B, then the system will start from here. So it will go to 1 meter and a second meter. So for every junction it will send the blink notification alert. So the robot got reached so-called junction, and after reaching the bed B also it will inform to that I have reached the bed B. Then so when we place the respective medicines in front of the IR sensor, the IR sensor will inform to the Mega board. So there is a medicine was to be delivered. So it will announce the voice alert to the patient through this API 3383 voice module. So the speaker was placed inside this head, and it will announce the voice. So once the person hear the voice and will come and take the medicine, then that will be identified by the IR sensor, and it will inform to the Arduino Mega that medicine was delivered. And the same thing, the robot will start moving backward and change the direction, and will stay at this B and F junction only. So whenever the person want to deliver the next medicine, whether a B or whether a F or a B or a C, E, then it will move according to the direction which we have coded inside this Mega board. So like, see, the example is from home 1 meter forward A and G junction, left side 1 meter forward A, and right side 1 meter forward bed G. So like that, again 1 meter forward B and F junction, left 1 meter B bed B, and right 1 meter bed F. So like that, so we have coded the distance which we have calculated from this DC encoded DC motors. And after the medicine delivered, before moving backward, means before going back to the junction, so the system will capture the images from this ESP32 camera which we have placed inside this, and next it will send the message alerts to the predefined store number that so-called medicine was successfully delivered, and who took the medicine also will be captured by this ESP32 camera, and it will send the mail alerts to the stored email ID. Right, so let me clarify the information again once again, including the input and outputs. Right, so now these LEDs will get switched on whenever the particular bed reaches, so that it will inform to the patient to take that particular medicine. So by seeing that LED indication, we can know the which medicine has to be taken. So now let me explain it clearly. So from blink application, we can set the bed number and the robot will start moving, and once it reaches the bed number, then it will inform to the blink application like it was reaches the particular bed number, and will announce the voice circuit to take the medicine, and that will be identified by the IR sensor. Once the medicine was successfully delivered, means it was taken, then it will capture that particular image from this PI camera and it will send the message alerts including the email alerts, and after that successfully done, it will back to the junction again, right? So let us see demonstration. Right, one more thing is we forgot about this IR sensor, so which is used to detect the obstacles whenever it is moving in particular direction, forward movements. So it will check if an obstacle detects, then automatically stops, but it won't stop the distance. For example, it's going to moving 1 meter of distance, it need to cover 1 meter distance. Then if any obstacle detects after 300 centimeters, then the remaining 7 meters will be covered after the obstacle is avoided. So let us see demonstration. Before on the kits, we need to enable the hotspot in your mobile phone. Go to hotspot settings of your phone. Set up the hotspot with the project 5622 without any space, without any capital letter, and the password should be 123456789. So after that, enable the hotspot and enable the data. The next step, and one more thing, so if your phone suggests the 2.4 gigahertz of band, select the band should be 2.4 gigahertz only, not 5G. And after that, log into the blink application. So as of now, showing the red icon means the device is offline. So here when you're using blink app, stay like this only, don't stop. So it should be play button always, right? So no need to touch any icon. And after that, log into the Gmail. So these are the previous images we have got, medicine delivered at bed number A. So called the images also we can see that. So here we are providing power supply for the whole robot through this lithium polymer lipo battery. So we need to connect the main thing. So before on the kit, after enabling the hotspot and data, insert a valid SIM card. Better to use Airtel inside this. So like this, insert and push forward, the system will lock the SIM card now. And this is the main power supply. You can recharge this battery. So we are providing the 2 battery sets. So in order to recharge that, connect the battery at this shown slot. Right, and now on the power supply. So as of now, only one battery's this particular cell was got recharged. So wait till the 3 lights should turn into the green, then only the battery is fully charged. Till that, you're not supposed to off the charger. So after that, you can just disconnect this and you can connect that to here to the system, right? So let us see on the floor. Right, one more important point. So this is the reset switch in our project. So now when we on this, then and there only, after inserting the SIM card and all,
welcome to project Dhanvantari-Bot.
hold this reset switch till the particular LED on this GSM modem is blinking slow, right? We can see that the blinking rate is very slow now, and also 2 devices will be connected in your phone.
Welcome to project Dhanvantari-Bot.
So that we can see the 2 devices connected over here. So after we seen this 2 devices connected, now go to blink application. There you can see there is no red icon over here. So if the robot start moving directly, then restart the Arduino Mega. Now I'm selecting bed A. You can see that. So that the light will get switched off. Thank you. And our system will send the message along with email ID. can press back to home. Again click come